So once you've got your Dubsado or 17 Hats system set up and optimized, it's really about keeping it at a high level, and we do that through maintenance. So there's 5 main pillars of the maintenance. The first one is features. I want you to keep an eye out for new feature releases. Remember, not every new feature release will enhance your client experience or make your life easier, but you want to make sure that you don't miss out on any that do. So it's not about adding more, using more. Only use the things that are going to be helpful to you or enhance your client experience. Anything else, don't feel pressured to use it just because it's there. The second one is reviews. Schedule regular reviews. I suggest quarterly. You need to allocate time to review and assess how you're using your system to complement your business processes, and I'll talk you through a review process later on. The third one is learn. You need to make time to learn the features that they offer, new features, to dive into them and how they can work for your business. One of the most important and impactful things that you can do is educate yourself and learn every element of the system, whether that's old or new. Now, you don't have to be an expert in everything, but having a really good understanding will make sure that you see how those features can help you. The fourth one is support. Liaise with the support teams to help solve any technical difficulties. The support team will be able to diagnose and walk you through how to rectify any issues that you're experiencing so that you can get back to business. They have access to the back end of the CRMs that we don't have access to, and they can spot bugs and issues that we simply couldn't pick up ourselves. So let the support team do their role and help you when you're coming up against a challenge. Number 5 is to clean up. Clean up templates and archive old projects that you've completed. Keeping your system clean helps you to save time and removes that visual overwhelm, because sometimes when you look at your email templates and they are so long, it can make you feel quite stressed, especially if you're kind of a neat and tidy person. So make sure to keep all of the templates that you're using, and any ones that you know you won't use again in the future, just get rid of those. Now let's think about what to do in your quarterly review sessions. The first thing I suggest you do is click on the release notes pages of either 17 Hats or Dubsado and look through the last 3 months of new feature releases. Remember, the goal is not to implement every single feature, but to implement the ones that are going to add value and benefit your business. Think back over the last 3 months and review your experience in using the system day to day and what your clients are telling you. Is there anything missing from your current workflows or new workflows you'll need to make your life easier as a business owner, or something you can do to enhance your client's experience? Use the box below in the CRM workbook to help you brain dump and really think this through. Lastly, you'll see your maintenance checklist. So we want to make sure that you've scheduled your recurring quarterly review in your calendar, or you can add a reminder to your task management system. Make sure you've signed up to receive release notes, and clean up, update, archive templates and projects. By doing this, you're going to keep your Dubsado or 17 Hats system at a really high level. You're going to make use of all of the features that are going to benefit and add value to your business, and you'll remove any overwhelm or frustration that could pop up.